I like that.
Stăm aici la masă cu Mickey și cu prietena Alia Aurora. Nu mai putem de giftuiți ce suntem.
Și cea mai bună mâncare, am terminat. Nu putem să ne oprim.
Da.
The perfect food for the perfect day.
So thank you very much for all your good cooking, honey.
Thank you.
Mickey for the barbecue. And thank you very much for you guys coming.
And thank you for inviting us. I think it's great. We are all together. And you guys have a wonderful house.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good job. Very good.
Nice song in here.
And spicy garlic.